Life is like a simple harmonic motion. You have to face ups and downs. Now, let us see what happens when two simple harmonic waves going in two different directions meet with each other. For this treatment, let us take two simple harmonic waves going in two different directions, one along the x direction, other one along the y direction. And the amplitude A is for the wave which is going in the x direction, and B is the amplitude for the wave which is going in the y direction. So we can represent the wave equation for the one going along the x direction as x equal to A sine omega t plus phi, and for the wave in the y direction it is y is equal to B sine omega t, and A and B are the amplitudes of the waves and phi is the phase difference between the two waves. From the first equation we can write this as x by A equal to sine omega t plus phi. Using the trigonometric relation sine A plus B, we can write sine omega t cos phi plus cos omega t sine phi. Let us take it as equation number 3. Again from equation 2, we can write y is equal to B sine omega t, or y by B equal to sine omega t. From equation 4, this is the value of sine omega t. I want the value for cos omega t. We all know cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1, or cos theta will be equal to root of 1 minus sine square theta. So using this expression, I can write cos omega t is equal to root of 1 minus sine square omega t. In place of sine omega t, let me put y by b. So it is root of 1 minus y square by b square. So I have the value for sine omega t as well as for cos omega t. Let me substitute all this in equation number 3. If I substitute, this is equation number 3, x by A is equal to sine omega t cos phi plus cos omega t sine phi. So we know the sine omega t is y by b into cos phi plus cos omega t is root of 1 minus y square by b square into sine phi. So let me take that y by b cos phi to the left hand side. So it is x minus a minus y by b cos phi equal to root of 1 minus y square by b square into sine phi. Let me square this equation number 6. Okay, so squaring on that, squaring on both the sides, we get x square by a square plus y square by b square cos square phi minus 2xy ab by cos phi. So if I square it on the right hand side, I will get 1 minus y square by b square. The square root goes into sine square phi. So let me bring this sine square phi inside. If I bring sine square phi in the right hand side inside, I will get sine square phi minus y square b square by sine square phi. So then again I am taking this minus y square b square sine square phi to the left hand side. I will get x square by a square plus y square b square cos square phi plus y square b square sine square phi minus 2xy ab cos phi equal to sine square phi. So we can take y square by b square common. So within the bracketed term you will have cos square phi plus sine square phi, which is nothing but it is equal to 1. So finally we get x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2xyab cos phi equal to sine square phi. So this is the equation of the resultant of two simple harmonic waves meeting at right angles to each other. Now let us see the special cases when the phase difference phi varies. So if the phase difference between the two waves phi is equal to 0, so we know sin phi will be equal to 0 and cos phi will be 1. Then equation 7 reduces to x square by a square plus y square by b square minus 2xy ab equal to 0, or we can write this as simply x by a minus y by b the whole square is equal to 0, or even simplify this as x by a minus y by b equal to 0, or we can simply write it as y is equal to b by a into x. This is almost similar to the equation of a straight line with a slope b by a. So this represents an equation of a line with a positive slope of b by a. So when you draw the resultant of a simple harmonic motion, the resultant wave will be like this, or it will be a straight line with a positive slope. So the next case is if the phase difference phi is pi. So for pi the sin phi is 0 and cos phi is minus 1. Again equation 7 can be written as x square by a square plus y square by b square plus 2xy ab equal to 0. So this can be simply written as x by a plus y by b the whole square is equal to 0. On further simplifying, y is equal to minus b by a into x. Again it is an equation of a straight line with a negative slope of minus b by a. So the resultant of the two simple harmonic waves meeting at right angles to each other, when their phase difference phi is equal to pi, they will represent a straight line with a negative slope. If the phase difference between the two waves is pi by 2, so then sin phi will be equal to 1, cos phi is 0. So equation 7 reduces to x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. This is nothing but it is an equation of a symmetrical ellipse. So in case if its amplitude a is equal to b, so if it's both the semi-major and semi-minor axes are equal, or if the amplitude of the two waves are same, we will get x square by a square plus y square by a square. So in common you can take it as a square, x square plus y square equal to a square. So this is nothing but it is an equation of a circle with a radius a. So this is how a symmetrical ellipse will look, and this is a circle if the amplitude of the two waves are equal, that is if a equal to b. Okay, then we will discuss what is Lissajuos figures. If a particle is influenced by two simple harmonic motion, that means two simple harmonic motions are acting in a particle and they are right angles to each other. So the resultant motion will represent a curve. Okay, these waves are called as Lissajuos figures. Okay, the shape of the Lissajuos figures depends on the amplitude, time period, and the phase difference between the waves. So in what way these Lissajuos figures are helpful? They are helpful in determining the unknown frequency of a tuning fork, to determine the ratio of time period of two simple harmonic waves, and in producing beautiful designs in calico printing. So I know no question paper is there without this particular question in BSc Physics University examination. So I hope this video will be helpful for all. The quieter you become, the more you are able to hear.